In this engaging podcast episode, Ben Mallah, a seasoned real estate investor, shares his insights on navigating the complexities of the real estate market, the current economic climate, and the strategies that have propelled him to success. With a candid and unfiltered approach, Mallah discusses his journey from humble beginnings to becoming a prominent figure in the real estate industry. Mallah emphasizes the importance of starting from scratch and building wealth through hard work and determination. He recounts his own experience of beginning with nothing and highlights the necessity of taking risks and seizing opportunities. He encourages listeners to focus on their strengths and passions, suggesting that they should take what they enjoy and elevate it to new heights. The key takeaway is that success requires effort, and one must be willing to try and potentially fail in order to achieve greatness. As the conversation shifts to the current state of the real estate market, Mallah expresses his concerns about the impending downturn in commercial real estate. He notes that many properties are over-leveraged and that the writing is on the wall for a significant correction. Mallah believes that the market is due for disruption, and he urges listeners to prepare for the opportunities that will arise from this shift. He discusses the importance of cash flow and the need to pay down debt, emphasizing that being in a strong financial position will allow investors to capitalize on future deals. Mallah delves into the effects of rising interest rates on the real estate market. He explains that many commercial loans are short-term, and as rates have increased, properties are struggling to meet their debt obligations. He warns that the current economic climate is unsustainable, and many investors will face challenges as loans come due. He believes that the Federal Reserve's actions will play a crucial role in shaping the future of the market, but he remains skeptical about the likelihood of rates returning to previous lows. Throughout the podcast, Mallah shares his strategies for success in real estate investing. He emphasizes the importance of identifying distressed properties and negotiating effectively. By documenting issues with a property and presenting a well-researched plan to potential sellers, investors can create leverage in negotiations. He also highlights the significance of understanding market dynamics and being prepared to act quickly when opportunities arise. Mallah discusses the critical role of cash flow in real estate investing. He explains that many investors overlook the importance of ensuring that properties generate sufficient income to cover expenses and debt obligations. He advises listeners to focus on properties that provide reliable cash flow, particularly in the current economic climate where uncertainty looms. He also touches on the benefits of 1031 exchanges, which allow investors to defer taxes on gains by reinvesting in new properties. As the conversation progresses, Mallah shares his predictions for the future of commercial real estate. He believes that the market will experience a significant correction, leading to a wave of foreclosures and distressed sales. He encourages investors to be proactive in identifying opportunities and preparing for the inevitable changes in the market. He emphasizes that those who are ready to act will be the ones who benefit the most from the upcoming shifts. Mallah reflects on his personal experiences in the real estate industry, sharing both successes and failures. He candidly discusses the mistakes he has made, including not locking in lower interest rates when he had the chance. He stresses the importance of learning from past experiences and adapting strategies accordingly. He also highlights the value of mentorship and surrounding oneself with knowledgeable individuals who can provide guidance and support. A recurring theme in the podcast is the importance of financial literacy. Mallah urges listeners to educate themselves about the intricacies of real estate investing, including understanding market trends, financing options, and the legal aspects of property ownership. He believes that being well-informed is essential for making sound investment decisions and navigating the complexities of the real estate landscape. Mallah expresses his views on the impact of government regulations on the real estate market. He argues that excessive regulations can stifle growth and innovation, making it more challenging for investors to succeed. He advocates for a more business-friendly environment that allows for greater flexibility and opportunity in the real estate sector. He believes that a balanced approach to regulation is necessary to foster a thriving real estate market.